Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I want to talk with you about something I don't very often get to talk about, and that's armyworms. We had an outbreak of these back a couple of years ago in the fall, and when we had them then, my heavens, we had a lot of them. They pretty much every Bermuda lawn had them, and when you looked at them, they were just all over the place in those lawns. This year, it's not quite as bad, but we are seeing them here and there in our Bermuda lawns, and I'm hearing from my fertilizer supplier we're actually getting them all across the state. The thing is about armyworms, these look like caterpillars, and when you look at your Bermuda lawn, you may not see it at first, and then you'll stare and you'll see one or two, and then all of a sudden you'll realize they're just all over. Um, they don't really do a lot of long-term damage, but what happens is they're going to chew on the top of the Bermuda and kind of scalp it. And then within a week or two, the Bermuda comes back, the caterpillars have turned to moths and they're gone away, and hopefully we won't see them again until some future point. Hopefully we won't see these in the fall. So if you want to treat them, you can do that with a product called bifenthrin. You'll want to use a liquid because that gives the fastest knockdown, and they're actually pretty easy to control when you use that. So hopefully this helps you with controlling your armyworms if you have them. If you're looking for a service for your lawn health or for sprinkler repair or landscape installation, please give us a call. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape experts. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would. Send these on to your friends and family, and you can also subscribe to our quick tip emails. Ken with Village Green.